Alright, so here's here's a tutorial for Chapter 5, Season 1 in 2025. So you want to join the Discord. The link is going to be in the description, but first thing you want to go do is download the build. Download Chapter 5, Season 1. It's right here. This one. It's 46 gigs, but after you download that, you're gonna download WinRAR. So just like type in WinRAR. Just type in WinRAR on your browser, and then you'll open it up, and then you just download it, and then you'll extract it. Click extract files to it.
Oh, yeah, what do I go to when the live event starts?
And then you're gonna download reboot launcher. So when you go to reboot, it's just like continue download, and then it'll download right here. But yeah, so once you have it downloaded, you open it, and then reboot launcher. You're gonna import the build, the Fortnite build, but you gotta make sure it has Fortnite and then Fortnite game and engine. So you want to enter onto Fortnite and then put it in there. And then so to run it, to be able to run it, you go to Backend, or wait, no, you go to Settings, Internal Files. You want to go to your Internal Files, and then go ahead back to the Discord, and then download these DLLs right here, these ones, because they're the DLLs that you can run with the Nexa main server. And then you put this one, the Nexa main, or the, hold up, you put the game server DLL in the game server after you put in custom, from embedded to custom. Make sure it's on custom. It can't be on embedded. You gotta put it on custom, and then you gotta do this, and then put it to the game server. This one, game server. But and then once you put in, then once you download this one, it would say, I'm just gonna download it to show you guys, but it's gonna say it's a virus, but it's not. So you download it, but make sure you have your protection off, because it just, Windows automatically has to put it on there. It automatically flags it, but it's not. So once you have that downloaded, you want to open it, and then you want to put this one, the authenticator patcher, right with auth1. So put that right there. Then the Unreal Engine patcher, just put the console DLL. Put it in the console DLL. And then, so after you have that done, you go to Backend, but you got to install Bun. So like click on install, visit site, and then you don't have to install it actually. You just go to Windows. You go to the website, Windows, put this, and then copy that. Then you open your Windows PowerShell, so PowerShell, and then you just copy and paste it in there, and then it should say like it's on there. It should say 100% installed. So like once you see that, you know it's done. And then the Nexa main thing doesn't work on, see, it doesn't work, this link, so you just look up Nexa main download. Wait, Nexa main download. So once you're on that GitHub, download GitHub. So you go to this one, then you click code, and you just download the zip. And then once you have the zip downloaded, you gotta extract it. So just say like, just click this, right click on it, and then do extract. It should be like right on the WinRAR thing after you installed WinRAR. Then you take this Nexa main, press start, and then click run, and then you'll see that. So when you gotta put in to the back end on local to 5353 in reboot launcher. So just go local from embedded, local, hold on, And then you go to local and put 5353 on, and then you start the back end. It should work, but sometimes it glitches, but it'll work eventually. So it'll ping the back end, and then once you see it ping the back end, wait. Just put it to embedded, local 5353, and then you start the back end. It should work. See, starting back end pinging. But if it doesn't work, that's fine. You gotta just fix it. You gotta reinstall it or something. Yeah. Wait for that. And then it should say like G1 or something. It says something weird. Hold on. Let me just show you guys. Go to reboot launcher. What the heck? That's cool. Backend. Localhost 5353. Okay, so then you run the Nexa. Yep, and then do that. You know, we're gonna reset it just to make sure it works again. Cool. And then put 5353 in, and then you're good. And then it should work. Let's see. Okay, it's weird, but it'll say like something, and then like it'll enter something in, a code in, and then that's how you know it's gonna work. But then you click launch Fortnite. Just launch it. Starting the back end, it might work. Yeah. But it's not working for me right now. I think I'm gonna have to restart Nexa. So go back onto this, Nexa main, start, run. Okay, try it again. Start back end. Yep, see, it'll do that. Unknown, get status 200. And then you want to go up here and then launch Fortnite. It'll say start server. But yes, you don't want to click ignore. You click start server. Then say launching game client and server. Then it'll start loading. Fortnite will start loading. My computer's just kind of slow. So, see, it's working. My computer's just like really slow. But then Fortnite Chapter 5 will start loading. And then, yeah. Just close out some tabs so it works. But what I like to do after that is like Control Shift Escape. So it opens Task Manager. Wait, yeah, Control Shift Escape. Oh, it's not working on this keyboard, so Task. See, it's so slow. Oh, here it is. It's working. So, Fortnite. It'll say Fortnite. You gotta close that. Crash report. Close all my other apps, unnecessary ones. Yep, here we go. Then Fortnite. You go to details. So, Fortnite 164. So, set priority. I like to put it on high so it runs really well. And then set affinity. I unclick CPU 0, so it's like that, and then it works pretty good. It's my recording or my clipping software. It's Overwolf, not that good, but I don't recommend it. It'll load, and then it'll start to open. I apologize, this is a bad tutorial, but first one, don't hate. Okay. So it's opening. And then you should be with the Nexa. It'll be onto the Nexa server, not like the normal reboot, because you're using different DLL, so you won't be in the login server. You'll be in Nexa. So, and then there should be a little pop-up that's soon when you're trying to open it that says host late game. You want to click yes on it, so it'll pop up soon. But yeah. Control Shift Escape. We're gonna close out the outplayed. Okay, where's outplayed? Overwolf. We're closing that because it's not really good. It sucks. it. Okay, so an outplayed. Where did I find that? Okay, it's not working. Yeah. So chapter 5 will load up for you. See, it's logging in now. Yeah, my computer's really slow. I have, look at my storage, bro. Like, the storage is so little, I don't have it that much at all. Got 1 gigabyte free on my local disk, so I got free stuff up on that. That, and then that. So, yeah, I don't have that much. And then when it says host late game, you want to click yes. And then this will happen. It might give you some error codes, but it happened to me, and if it doesn't, like, load into the game, if it just takes you back to the lobby, look up how to fix project reboot loading to the lobby when load into game. So, yeah, see, that's why it's not working for me, because I have insufficient storage space, but, so you have, like, literally everything in the whole game. You have every skin in the whole entire game. Up to chapter 5, yeah. And you even got, like, the dev skins and stuff. So, like, the skins that aren't even really part of the game. But, like, the placeholder outfits and stuff. So, it's pretty cool. Every pickaxe, every emote. The shop, battle pass, the shop doesn't work. The shop doesn't work, yeah. There's no shop thing right here. V-Bucks don't work. Because you can't buy anything on them, so it doesn't matter. So, if you want, you just go change your settings. So, I'm just going to change mine to ultra. Or ultra low, like, really low. So, I can have it that on 37, because my computer does not run well. So we're gonna have that really, really low. Off. Yeah, I should probably put it on performance mode, but mine doesn't work because I got the insufficient storage space. But yeah, so it's just crashing for me. But if it works for you, then that's how you play chapter 5. And yeah, have a good one, y'all.